Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to download YouTube videos. If you're tired of constantly buffering videos or want to save them for offline viewing, then you've come to the right place. In this short video, we'll show you several methods on how to download YouTube videos that are quick, easy, and free. Method 1. How to download YouTube videos using a YouTube downloader. The first method we'll be showing you is by using a YouTube downloader. There are many YouTube downloaders available, but we recommend using the one called TubeMate. Quote. It's free to use and available for both Android and iOS devices. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Open YouTube and search for the video you want to download. Step 2. Tap on the share button and select Copy Link. Step 3. Open TubeMate and paste the link in the search bar. Step 4. Select your desired video quality and click the download button. Step 5. Wait for the download to finish and enjoy your video. Method 2. How to download YouTube videos using a browser extension. The second method we'll be showing you is by using a browser extension. There are many browser extensions available, but we recommend using the one called Video Download Helper. It's free to use and available for most web browsers. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Install the Video Download Helper extension on your web browser. Step 2. Open YouTube and search for the video you want to download. Step 3. Play the video and click on the Video Download Helper icon in your browser. Step 4. Select your desired video quality and click the download button. Step 5. Wait for the download to finish and enjoy your video. Method 3. How to download YouTube videos using online video downloaders. The third and final method we'll be showing you is by using online video downloaders. There are many online video downloaders available, but we recommend using the one called Save From Net. Quote. It's free to use and supports most video formats. Here's how you can use it. Step 1. Open YouTube and search for the video you want to download. Step 2. Copy the video URL. Step 3. Go to Save From Net and paste the video URL in the search bar. Step 4. Select your desired video quality and click the download button. Step 5. Wait for the download to finish and enjoy your video. So there you have it. 3 simple methods on how to download YouTube videos. How to download YouTube videos using a YouTube downloader, a browser extension, or an online video downloader. We hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any other methods or questions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching.